Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Funnelish templates to launch fast. If you want to get a funnel up and running quickly, using a ready-made template is one of the easiest ways to do it. Funnelish gives you a shortcut by letting you start from a pre-built layout instead of creating everything from scratch. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the simple process of finding a template and applying it to your new funnel. To begin, open Funnelish and go to the Get Started page. This is the area where you can begin creating new projects and choose how you want to set up your funnel. Once you're on this screen, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all available options are visible. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click New Funnel. This opens the setup flow for creating a brand new funnel. Starting here is important because it tells Funnelish that you want to build a fresh project rather than edit an existing one. After that, you'll be taken to the template selection area. Here you can search for a sample template directly if you already know what kind of funnel you want, or you can browse through the available options. Searching is helpful when you want something specific, while browsing is a good choice if you want to explore different layouts, styles, or structures before deciding. Take your time here and look for a template that matches your goal as closely as possible. Choosing a strong starting point can save you a lot of editing later. Once you find the sample template you want to use, click on it. This will open the template so you can select it as the foundation for your funnel. At this stage, make sure you've clicked the correct template, especially if several options look similar. A quick review now can help avoid having to switch later. Finally, click Use Template. This tells Funnelish to load that template into your new funnel so you can begin customizing it. From here, your funnel is created using the selected design, which gives you a faster launch path and a structured starting point for your pages. And that's it. By going to the Get Started page, creating a new funnel, searching or browsing for a sample template, selecting the one you want, and clicking Use Template, you can launch much faster with less manual setup.